Hey y'all, welcome back. I bet y'all like, girl, I'm batch recording, y'all, so come on, work with me. This video is gonna be real quick and sweet. This is a trick that a lot of people use when they're trying to tangle up your money or cause your money to be stagnant. They'll take coins. I'm just gonna do pictures because I don't want to do an illustration of that because I don't even want to touch that. But I'm gonna put a picture right here of what I'm talking about. But this is what they'll do. They'll take the coins and dot the eyes, and then probably anoint it with whatever oils or herbs or stuff that they're using. So how they'll do this is they'll come to you like, oh, do you have change for X, Y, Z? You know, I got change for $1, whatever. And y'all, you might not think that, but oh my gosh, once that money touches you and it start interacting with your other money, like you might take it and put it, mix it in with some money you got in your pocket, or put it in your wallet with your other money, it can wreak havoc. I have seen this. I'm not telling y'all something that I don't know. I have seen this and it will wreak havoc. Like stuff will just be coming out of nowhere. And that's how you know like witchcraft is on your money. Because little things will start happening that don't make sense. That's the what I always go to. When things don't make sense and they just start happening like out of the blue or whatever, witchcraft. Because it don't add up. It's not making any sense. But yeah, that's how they can cross your money. By marking the eyes on the coins and giving it to you, and it mixes in with yours. And if you just happen to give somebody change, like exchange your money for change for this or that, don't mix the money with your money. Keep that separate. Okay? I don't know, give it away. I'll go ahead and spend it like right then and there. And we also have a my bath oil, my hex removing oil, y'all. I know y'all probably like, girl, we keep hearing about this oil, and I'm working on I'm working on the back end trying to get everything right, and just trying to make it presentable. Because if it was left up to me, y'all would have that in a Gatorade bottle with a label with tape, you know, and I'm writing on the tape, whatever. But I'm trying to make it presentable. But anyway, that hex oil covers all of that. Money, all you have to do is take a bath in that and you're good to go. Good to go. So yeah, stay on the lookout. And even though like they trying to say like the dollar is dying out, just like I always say, just still be vigilant. Because they still have to adapt as the times change. So they'll just get creative with it and be working on you in another way. Okay? So if you can, just try to avoid giving people change or exchanging money with people on your jobs or just anywhere. Just try to refrain from that. And let me know below if y'all have ever, like, how y'all, some stories about y'all dealing with witchcraft and money and how it has affected you. Let me know that below. So yeah, thank y'all. Don't forget to like the video. And until next time, stay blessed and highly favored.